Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Today market has seen a very big drop and it witnessed almost 700 points drop in Bank Nifty and almost 200 points in the Nifty. How it is going to be tomorrow and being like one day before this expiry, how this market will respond tomorrow. All these things will be discussed in this short video. First of all, thanks very much for subscribing my YouTube channel. Please do refer to your friends to help me to grow this a bigger channel. Hope you like my video and my levels. If you like it, please do refer to your friends. This video is for educational purpose. Consult your financial advisor before investment. So let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty showed a kind of small gap down opening, like 100 points gap down opening. From there it started, it's Bank Nifty. So it started like around 50 points gap down opening from this 800 level to 750 level, which was the day high for the day, and then from there it started dropping down and then took a kind of a stop at this 616 level and then made a kind of small retracement and then went for the next rally down to this 560 levels. From there it retraced and closed almost 200 points down compared to the previous day, because of which the CE level was not active today, and on the P side compared to the opening price it gave almost 158 points gain on the level which suggested. And on the other side, Bank Nifty also dropped considerably, around 100 points during the opening, 200 points during the opening itself, and then started shedding points and close to somewhere closer to this 21,400 levels, and because of which the PA level got executed very much and then gave a return of around 550 to 600 points on the intraday basis. And considering all this, what we can expect tomorrow, so that is the main reason why I normally don't consider this option chain alone. I used to go for chart analysis as well. So if you closely watch, this gap has been filled considerably. It has been filled during this day. So tomorrow what we can expect is it might fall back a little bit and might touch this 10,500 level. So tomorrow my expectation is a kind of range bound day between this 10,500 is not coming. Now it is okay. So tomorrow we can expect it to come to this level and then maybe a bounce. So tomorrow the level on Nifty will be, if the opening is about 10,600, we can execute 10,600 call option. If the level is on the positive side, opening is positive, we can go ahead with the 10,600 call option. Otherwise, if it is negative and if it is below 10,600, we can execute this 10,600 put option. So if the level is below 10,600, we can execute 10,600 put option for a target of only 100 points. I'm not expecting Nifty to go below 10,500, so we can close our put option at 10,600 and then we can do a reverse trade at 10,500 call option. So even though if it is positive, we can execute directly 10,500 call option. So that is why I just gave a tick mark over only on this point. So even if it is positive tomorrow, if it is a kind of positive opening, we can directly execute 10,500 put option, which will be pretty much in the money, and also it will give a good return. And if it drops and when it reaches 10,500, we can close the put option and straight away we can go for the call option. So this is on the Nifty side. And what is there at option chain data? Option chain data, call option side, it is weak, so expecting it to go down, but you can see the IV value is pretty tight between this 25 to 30 levels, so we cannot expect a much drop. And so definitely even if it goes down, this level will give a kind of a good support. That is what is evident for the day. So let us keep the level very much pretty simple. If it is below 10,600, we can execute a put option. Otherwise, if it is above 10,600 level, if it is on the positive side, green side, we can go ahead with this 10,500 call option. Okay. And on the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty, it is the same thing. if it is above this 10,400 level to 500 mark, if it is above 21,400 mark, and if it is closer to 10,500, we can straight away execute 21,400 or 21,200 call option. Based on the fund availability, you can execute. If it is on the positive side, I would recommend 21,400 call option. If 21,200 fund option, if your funds are very minimal, you can go ahead with 21,400 call option. Target on the upper side will be 21,700 to 800 mark. Don't expect much, so it can touch the yesterday's high will be the optimistic target. And on the downside, if it is below 21,400, we can straight away execute 21,400 put option, and we can expect the bank nifty to touch 21,200 level to 21,000 mark. So 21,000 will be a very good a level to have a kind of bounce back. So that is why I have given 21,200 call option as a reverse trade. So when it drops, we can expect it to drop another 400 points, 200 to 400 points, and we can do a reverse trade by taking 21,200 call option. Expectation on the bank nifty will be range bound between these 21,000 to 21,400 to 500 levels. And if you look at the option chain data on the bank nifty side, it is almost even. We cannot expect much returns or much valuable data. You can see a lot of options unwinding taking place at put option side, and a lot of build up on the call option side, which clearly indicates market might go down, but not down pretty down to the 21,000 level. So 21,000 will give a good support. So that is what the expectation for tomorrow. So tomorrow nifty will be range bound between 10,500 to 700 levels. If it is on the positive side, we can expect it to touch 700 levels, and if it goes on the negative side, it can touch 500 levels. And on the bank nifty side, it will be range bound between 21,200 to 21,600 to 21,800 levels. All the very best, and have a profitable and a safe trading tomorrow. Thank you very much.